Welcome to Quiz Kid, the channel where curiosity meets fun. Today we're diving into an exciting human body quiz to test your knowledge and learn something new along the way. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Let's get started. Guess the organ. Heart, liver, or lungs? Heart. What's the longest bone in the human body? Femur, tibia, or humerus? Femur. How many bones make up the adult human body? 206, 208, or 210? 206. What's the largest organ in the human body? Liver, skin, or lungs? Skin. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart, kidney, or stomach? Heart. What is the primary function of the lungs? Filtering toxins, oxygen exchange, or digestion? Oxygen exchange. What is the name of the muscle that controls breathing? Diaphragm, esophagus, or trachea? Diaphragm. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Liver, kidney, or spleen? Kidney. What part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum, medulla oblongata, or cerebrum? Cerebellum. Which blood cells are responsible for fighting infections? Red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets? The white blood cells. Which organ stores bile? Gallbladder, pancreas, or liver? Gallbladder. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 3, or 4? 4. What's the scientific name for the windpipe? Trachea, esophagus, or pharynx? Trachea. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, incus, or malleus? Stapes. What is the primary function of the pancreas? Produce insulin, detoxify blood, or store bile? Produce insulin. What type of joint is found in the knee? Ball and socket, hinge, or pivot? Hinge. What organ is part of both the respiratory and digestive systems? The pharynx, the larynx, or the trachea? The pharynx. What is the name of the tube that connects the kidney to the bladder? Ureter, urethra, or renal tubule? Ureter. What's the main component of human hair and nails? Collagen, keratin, or elastin? Keratin. What is the average number of ribs in the human body? 12, 24, or 28? 24. What is the name of the outer layer of the kidney? Cortex, medulla, or pelvis? Cortex. Which part of the eye controls how much light enters? Cornea, pupil, or retina? Pupil. What part of the brain regulates hormones? Thalamus, hypothalamus, or pineal gland? Hypothalamus. Which organ helps regulate blood sugar levels? Liver, pancreas, or kidney? Pancreas. What structure connects muscles to bones? Ligaments, tendons, or cartilage? Tendons. What's the name of the microscopic sacs in the lungs where gas exchange occurs? Alveoli, bronchioles, or capillaries? Alveoli. What is the function of the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas? Regulate digestion, produce hormones, or store glucose? Produce hormones. What's the name of the thin membrane that lines the abdominal cavity? Peritoneum, pleura, or mesentery? Peritoneum. Which part of the brain is involved in forming long-term memories? Hippocampus, amygdala, or frontal lobe? Hippocampus. What's the name of the protein in red blood cells that binds to oxygen? Hemoglobin, myoglobin, or albumin? Hemoglobin. Great job tackling the quiz! Whether you got all the answers or learned something new, you're one step closer to being a quiz master. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep calm and quiz on with Quiz Kid.